Kiengei's wife uria niwe Joy Kiengei kana na ritwa ringi Jocelyn Ngaru ariguo eitaga kure mwena wa Facebook ni atigite fans ake mena ciuria na angi makibura they really miss her na makimwetha, and this after them realizing and noticing that she has gone missing on social media. Ora maramenyete ukoro makimwona moso on TikTok. She had been very active on TikTok lately, but unfortunately dakwaletwa kirekereria to video ule marakimenyerete. She has gone MIA na to TikTok peke yake, even on Instagram ona ginya ha Facebook dakoleto akirekereria kana ukora ki-engage na fans ake on any of her social media platforms. Na udongi umagegeti ni kuona Instagram account yake iria areitaga Joy Kiengei, it is no longer there. Na ona kwa mwena wa Facebook ona kwa fans ake no matigito megegeire kuona the last time she shared a post was last month September 8th. Ali video na akoriro agishare, and also on her TikTok ona kwa the last time she was active was almost 3 weeks ago. Na fans maitigo makiuria kai Joy athiete ko, but they are happy to know that Tony akoriro akimaubulira ati the kids are well, Arsene and June are doing great. Earlier the last post she shared on TikTok akiashua fans ake ati all is well, twana twisawa na June no karakura owega. No fans ni magitigito makiuria when is she coming back on social media. Na ona ginya arumiri a kanitha wa JCM ona no mathiete ona mbere kumbura, they eagerly waiting for her to come back to JCM church. Magieterera first lady wao otona marakimenyete ukoro makimwita, na they can't wait to have her back. Na ona ruma fans ake no marathio na mbere gweterera na kumbura. They really miss her on social media after noticing she had been absent for almost a month now, but magikara na mwihoko ati ni ukoro agicokereria very soon, and they can't wait to have her back. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.